Autarky designs. Autarky designs. Autarky designs.
You know it.
It's alright, right.
Oh, there we go. All of them off. Oh, let me get the last one. There we go. Ready for blasting and powder coat. Still like this color though. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today's project we will be stripping some 350Z wheels to powder coat them. And what I've used today is just a second. I am on my lunch break. I figured I'd do this. So on the way home, take them to the pressure washer and hit them up. But clean strip, premium sprayable stripper. It comes with a little nifty bottle. And a hey guys, I finally gonna get to clean these all the way and hopefully powder coat all of them today. Hopefully. So let me get started and hopefully we will see finished product sometime this weekend, because if they powder coated tonight, tires going on tomorrow, no doubt. All right, let's get to it. Can you tell the difference? Can you? Can you? Well, let's get closer. We all know that's not going to be the final color. We all know that. So I told you guys it wasn't going to remain this color. So here's the master at work doing his thing. Let me give him some light right here. Looky, looky. It's a bag of red powder. Oh yeah. We're gonna fill this bottle up. Well, halfway. It's half, right?
Yep.
All right. Almost there.
Almost like black cherry.
It don't. I hope when it's done baking, I might have to call that guy. That look like hot pink, man. That straight look like pink. Watch that corner over there. See right there, yeah. Oh, look at that. Don't it look pink? This is the first one. We haven't taken the tape off as yet, but see, I think without the black base coat, you're not gonna really see. Looks red, but hey. Took me a while to figure out the machine, but I got it now. Nope, still ain't got it. Oh, here's a good look in the sunlight before it goes in the garage. All right, there's one. There's another one. Took me a minute to figure out the machine, get it mounted, but got it. Now to see how much they're gonna charge me. Oh, there you have it, guys. Seen it from start to finish. It's on there. Everything's not bolted up on the car. The arms are still loose. But once this hits the ground, guaranteed, this is going to be onto the fender, the wheel well. So, hey, as always, thank you for watching. Those of you subscribed, do me a big favor. Please share my YouTube channel. Please. Just share the heck out of it. Alright, so we can get subscribers up. Probably get 2 more videos within this weekend. I got to take off for a little bit, but I'll probably give y'all 1 or 2 while I'm going where I'm going. You'll see. But, hey, there it is. Wheels are done. Thank you.